HDPE coupling installation and assembly. Step 1. Make certain the pipe ends are free of indentations, projections, or other imperfections which could prevent proper sealing of the gasket. Mark each pipe at a distance from the end of the pipe according to the pipe size. 2 to 4 inches, the distance to mark would be 1 inch. 5 to 8 inches, the distance to mark would be 1 1/4 inch. 10 to 12 inches, the distance to mark would be 1 3/4 inch. Step 2. Check to assure the gasket material is acceptable for the intended service. The gasket color code is green for EPDM and orange for nitrobutane-N. Caution: use only Gruvlok Extreme lubricant. Gruvlok Extreme lubricant contains silicone. If silicone is unacceptable for the application, contact Gruvlok for the lubrication recommendation. Apply a thin coating of Gruvlok Extreme lubricant to the gasket lip and outside surface of the gasket. Slip the gasket over one of the pipe ends. Make sure the gasket does not overhang the pipe end. Align the second pipe and, while keeping the pipes in the butted position, slide the gasket back over the second pipe end. The gasket must be positioned centrally between the lines on the pipe ends. Place the 7305 housing casting over the gasket, making sure the tongue on one casting is aligned with the recess on the other casting. Insert the bolts and secure the nuts alternately and uniformly until the bolt pads are in contact. There's no gap between the bolt pads, and the bolt torque should be within range given when the coupling is properly assembled. Alternate and even tightening of the bolts will significantly reduce the torque needed to close the gap at the pipe joint.